Have you ever wanted to influence someone's decision without them even realizing it? Here are 5 strange psychological tricks that can help you do just that. First, try the foot in the door technique. Start with a small request to get your foot in the door, then follow up with a larger request. People are more likely to agree because they want to stay consistent with their previous commitment. Next, there's the door in the face technique. Begin with a huge request that you know will be rejected, then follow up with a more reasonable one. This makes the second request seem much more appealing by comparison. Then consider the power of mirroring. Subtly mimic the body language of the person you're talking to. This creates a sense of rapport and makes them more likely to agree with you. Another trick is to use the scarcity principle. When people believe something is limited, they want it more. Highlight the rarity of an opportunity to increase its perceived value. Lastly, leverage the anchoring effect. Present a high initial number or idea to set a mental benchmark, making subsequent options seem more reasonable. These tricks can be powerful tools in your social toolkit, helping you navigate conversations with ease and influence.